How to add bold text in Facebook post. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the photo and or the reels. You have to you can select any of the. Then what you have to do is you have to you have to choose any of the photo and then you have to click next. And after changing your photo you have to say something, and here you can see the firstly you have to go to the Chrome browser and then search for the yetext.com. Here you can see this website name in the search bar, and after that you have to type something like this, and then you have to type this, and after that you can type your text, and then you have to click on the copy next, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the all the you have to scroll down, and here you have to find the bold text, and you have to find the bold text, and here you can see the bold serif and bold sans. So if you want to I want to add the bold serif, and here is also the option of bold italic serif, bold italic sans. What I want to add, the you can also add any of them. You can if I add this one, then you have to click on the copy, and here you can see I have copied. Then you have to go to the Facebook, and then you have to click on this, and now here you can see that you have added the uh, bold text, and then you can post it. And here you can see the post, I am posting, my post is I have posted, and here you can see the post is in on the bold text. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.